Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how you can use a simple brief, the men's brief underwear. Yeah, you heard me right. To mask up. So you're gonna fold it like you were gonna put it together, and you put that, pull it all the way to cover your nose and your ears. Then you take the waist side and just put it over your head, pull it to a comfortable position, and tuck the excess in at the back. There you go. Now you're all maxed up. Doesn't have to be a designer's brief, just any male's brief will do, and boom, you're all set to go. If you must wear masks to go out, this is an easy, inexpensive way to do it. Hope you like it.